Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing Twinkle Farm Tale series. There are 6 regular styles and 1 secret chase in this collection. Let's open it. Warm lamb. This is a towel. Is a lamb knitting a sweater? Could it be knitting with its own wool? The wool is slightly curly and feels really nice. Its ears are so bouncy and cute. There's also a bow tied here. There are crinkly granules inside. And there's a signature star. The blush on its face is heart-shaped. So cute! Pure Pigling. It has a gold coin hanging on its chest. The blush has little blue circles on it. Its tiny little tail is so cute. Eyes closed, little piggy. Faceful puppy. It has long off-white fluffy fur. It feels amazing. Let's fix its hairstyle. It has a big fluffy tail behind it. The puppy has patches on its body. Did it get hurt? It wears a star collar around its neck. It has such a mischievous expression, tongue sticking out. Its 2 ears are different colors. The hat says Brave Puppy. Fearless Pumpkin. She's wearing a blue checkered bib. There is a pretty bow tied at her back. Its 2 braided pigtails are posable. The knitted yarn bangs are really unique. It's wearing a red hat on its head. It has tiny freckles on its face. Wild Cowboy. It has a slightly stubborn and serious look. The cowboy hat on its head is very soft. Its outfit has a leather-like texture. There is a star decoration on its belt. A patch on its leg. It comes with a classic cowboy scarf. Loyal Wolfy. Its fur is super soft. Its fangs are also made of soft material. Its nose is flopped. Its ears are embroidered. Its pupils are heart-shaped. It has uneven eyebrows. Its mouth is so fun. Its tail is also fluffy. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye-bye.